Unlock a world of seamless financial connections. Today, we're diving into how to create a Plaid account, no matter where you are. First, head to Plaid.com using your computer or mobile device. Since Plaid is primarily a connection service, creating a direct account isn't always straightforward. Instead, access it through a partner app. Think about apps you already use for payments, investments, or crypto. Many of these use Plaid behind the scenes to securely link your bank accounts. Within your chosen app, look for a feature like Add Bank Account, Link Account, or something similar. This action should trigger the Plaid interface. Now, the Plaid window will appear. You'll be prompted to search for your bank. Type the name of your financial institution in the search bar. Select your bank from the list. Make sure you choose the correct one, as some bank names can be similar. Plaid will then ask for your online banking username and password. This is crucial. Plaid uses bank-level encryption to protect this data, but always double-check you're on a genuine Plaid screen. You might also need to complete a multi-factor authentication step, such as entering a code sent to your phone or email. This adds an extra layer of security. Once authenticated, Plaid securely connects your bank account to the app. You'll see a confirmation message indicating the connection was successful, and that's it. You've successfully used Plaid to connect your bank account to a partner app from almost anywhere in the world.